Miss Evans, what's up? What's up? What's up? No se puede ir bien.
Well, you're also. Sí, se puede escuchar bien.
¿Sí se puede ir? ¿Se puede ir?
Sí.
Ok. Alrighty. Vamos aquí a poner un flow de música six. You gotta come on YouTube more often. That's funny that you mentioned that, Evans. I was literally just talking to my wife. So I just got married too. I was just talking to my wife about that. I'm like, man, I've been away from the Forex community for so long. I don't even know what's happening in the Forex space right now. And that really hit very deep. I'm like, I feel there's like a calling that's telling me that I need to be back. So it's funny that you mentioned that because I've been having that in the back of my mind for a long time. I really have been. Congratulations. I feel you. Appreciate you, Evans. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. How's trading been for you? How's everything? How's the fam? Man, trading. What's going on with trading? Okay, so what's happening in the trading space? I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Oh man, like what is the inside scoop in the trading space right now? That's what I want to know. I'm thinking of bringing back the streams. I'm highly considering it. What I'm currently debating on is how many days would I do it and what times would I do it at, because once I start this time I'm not stopping. Hmm. Is my voice clear as I'm speaking, or is it low? Is it too high? Is it raspy? What? How is it from your point of view? Because I might have to do some adjusting with the mic, if anything. Man, I do miss the trading. I do miss the lives. I do miss the lives. I miss it so much. Trading has been good. It's up and down, but it's making profits. So I'm happy. Yes, your voice is clear. All right, perfect. Thank you, Miss Evans. Okay, 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 okay. I need something this year. I'm trying to. Let me see. I need to figure out what days I want to get back on. Alexis Pichardo. What's up, man? What's up, bro? How you feeling, bro? How you feeling? I'm really okay. Cause I'm thinking Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, right? If I'm doing my lives on a weekly basis, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. These are the days where I'm like, okay, if I were to get back on here, I'm going to stay consistent with those days and I'm not going to end. And I miss the community we had here before. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's say if I were to do because my last streams, they were from 8 a.m. Eastern time to 12 p.m. 12 noon Eastern time, and those were 4 hours Monday through Thursday. I cannot commit to those that many days and that many hours, but I'm becoming open to wanting to come back to the streams, but maybe doing like 3 days a week as opposed to 4. Yeah, we all come to yeah, we all used to come to your stream, live stream, watch you trade AU. You still trade it? Yeah, I literally only trade AU. I still only trade AU. I've learned to study AU so much. Its tendencies, and I'll get into details. Its tendencies. When I say tendencies, I'm referring to pick moves that it ranges on average on a daily basis. For example, let's get into AU, right? Let's get into AU. So I'm gonna explain to you guys where I'm at with trading as of today. All right, today's January 18th, 2025, right? And it's where I'm at 7:55 p.m. Eastern time. And when I stopped trading live, I was still trading independently, getting smacked left and right. Cool. Nothing different there, right? And what I started noticing was the pressure of needing to trade was no longer there. And so I was able to focus a little more on not being judged on my losses, but being able to be truthful to myself and make more mistakes that were needed, lessons that I still needed to learn in order for me to learn my lesson. So I had to take a lot more L's and I had to lose a lot more money. Why? It's just a stubbornness in me. So I had to learn how to be less stubborn and almost remove my stubbornness completely. And I finally can truthfully say from the bottom of my heart, as of today, after taking all of this time off, after having time to reflect, bro, like, it's a lot of pressure, bro. Like, if you think about like hundreds of people watching you, bro, trade the most difficult profession against the most intelligent people in the world, for you to trade live and be profitable with all that pressure, that's tough. It's tough. So now I'm thinking, okay, so why do I want to come back? What am I going to do differently this time that I didn't do before? I have a regulated broker now. I do not trade with prop firms anymore. Oh, that's why I stopped trading for a few months after I got off the live. Okay, so let me explain you the story. I'm gonna explain the story to you. And something happened, and when this happened to me with a prop firm, I stopped trading for months. Let me give you guys the backstory. I'm not speaking on the names of these prop firms because I don't even know what's going on in the prop firm industry right now. This prop firm that I was trading with, I'm gonna give you guys the semi-short version. Right? I traded phase 1. Jenny's B, what's up? How you doing, G? How's up? Everything's great. Everything's great. Everything's great. Hope everything is great. So I started trading with this prop firm, and it took me a month, right, to get like, I think it was 7 or 8%. I can't remember what it was, but it was 7 or 8% that you had to get in order to get to phase 2, right? I mean, standard across most, all, if not most, prop firms companies, right? Past phase 1, I'm ecstatic. I'm telling my girl at the time, I'm like, yo, babe, like I finally whoop the whoop, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Phase 2 comes around. Great. Oh, it just riles me up thinking about this all over again. Oh my god. All right, I passed phase 1, bro. Smooth. I'm like, oh, this is lit. Phase 2, you only gotta get. So here's the beauty. Phase 2 is twice the time frame that they give you on phase 1. So I'm like, okay, there's less pressure, and then there's a lower percentage that you have to hit. I think it was like 4 or 5%, and probably 4%, probably half or whatever. Let's go with 4%. Fam, I hit the 4%. Right? So I'm ecstatic, bro. Like, I hadn't passed the phase 2 account, bro. I can't even tell you in how long, bro. It was like, if I had to really think on when the first time I passed my phase 2 and how fast I blew it, would have to be like 2 years ago. Probably more than that, or somewhere around that time frame. I don't know. A year to 2 to 3 years ago was the last time that I passed a phase 2 prop firm. And then my last prop firm I traded with, again, I passed phase 1, I passed phase 2. And here's where I started. So I'm thinking, okay, you passed phase 2, send me my credentials for my live account the very second I pass my phase 2. What's wrong with that, right? Give me what's rightfully mine. Fam, you know what happened? Okay, I'll give you guys a live demonstration of what went down. So I think there was news. It was heavy impact news. And I think it was probably like 8:30 a.m., right? Oh, well, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, right? I had already been in a trade for a week prior to this news coming out on a specific day at 8:30 a.m. Little did I know, bro, I don't read fine prints. I'm sure y'all don't either. Who reads fine prints, bro? You see something you like, and an app, whatever it is, right? You're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom and hit accept. You're not gonna read that whole essay that they, you know what I'm saying? You're not reading that. There's no way. I don't know. You couldn't pay me enough to believe that anybody reads a fine print. I don't care. I do not care. Nobody reads fine prints, right? So, because of that, right? I'm in a trade, I want to say since Monday, bro. And the news probably came out on Friday. Bro, I've been in this trade for damn near 5 days now. So I'm like, I bet. And so again, news is coming out at 8:30. And I'm like, okay, if this news pushes my price, and mind you, I was like, my price and my TP where it was like halfway into profit, and there was maybe like, of course, another halfway towards TP. So fam, news comes out, and I'm thinking, okay, if this news goes in my direction, which was a buy position that I was in, if it goes in my direction, literally that single trade, that last trade that I've been in since Monday for 5 days straight, if it hits TP, I will pass my phase 2 account. Bro, news hits. Now it's 8:30. This is what the price did, right? Let's just say, I don't know. Let's say this is a position, right? This is a position. This is whatever. This is a position. I've been holding, uh, I've been holding this trade, whatever. It's been up and down. It's been up and down. Then 8:30 hits, right? Let's say price is right here somewhere, bro. Fam, literally 8:30 goes, it shoots down, and then it spikes up, bro. Within literally 30 seconds, I want to say, it hit TP. So boom, I got an email saying, "Hey, congratulations, I passed phase 2." And bro, hey, long time no chat. What's good, yo, King City? What up, baby? How you feeling, Brody? How you feeling? So I get on and whatever. I passed phase 2, bro. At this moment, I'm expecting my credentials for my live right into my account. You know what I get, bro? I didn't get an email that day about my credentials for the live. I didn't get it the next day, bro. I didn't get it for a whole week, and so I'm reaching out like, what is going on, bro? You know what they emailed me, bro? They was like, unfortunately, you can't even make this up, fam. Unfortunately, because I was in the trade within a 2-minute window from major news prior to news happening, so pretty much at 8:29 a.m. and between 8:32 a.m., because my price hit TP at that very moment, although I've already been in this trade for 5 days, they failed my account. So you're telling me, fam, I was in this trade. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just get this straight, right? so I trade this account. The most conservatively I've ever traded an account, bro. I traded this for, let's say, just over a month, maybe closer to 2 months, bro. Maybe closer to 2 months, bro. I'm so happy. I'm like, bro, like this is what I've been wanting for. I got 100K. Was it 100K or 50K? One of those two. It was 50 or 100K. Let's go with 50, bro. Let's go with 50K, bro. I get this 50K account, right? And I'm waiting for my 50K funded, bro, because like I got the strategy. It's not changing. I've used literally one strategy to get to that point, and then they want to hit me talking about, hey, because the trade hit TP. No, listen to me, bro. Because the trade hit TP between the 4-minute window, 2 minutes prior 8:30 and 2 minutes after 8:30, they failed my account, bro. And I was like, bro, like this got to be somewhere around. Like, can we make an exception? Bro, they wasn't here trying to hit nothing. They wasn't trying to hit nothing. Yo, Janice, right? Messed up, right? Evans, bogus, man. Listen. So they wasn't trying to hear it. So I'm like, well, what do I do? I've already invested a few hundred dollars into this company, bro. Like, I have to get it right eventually. Like, this has to work, bro. This has to work. It just has to work, fam. And now y'all want to hit me with that? Like, okay, so because I'm a somewhat half decent trader and I happen to get to my live account, you're not trying to bless me with a live account, bro? Are you that greedy? You're really that greedy, bro. Like, you're really that selfish, bro, that you couldn't even bless me with the account. Who knows? I would have probably blown it the next day. At least bless me with the account first. Don't tell me, nah, you can. Fam, it's only a 50K account. Most people don't even get past the live account more than, what is it? I don't even know the stats anymore of like how many people cash out on payouts on prop firms. I don't know if it's after the first payout or second payout, third payout, people start to get silly and then blow their account. I don't know. I don't even know the stats. But I was never even given an opportunity, bro, because of 2 minutes, bro. Because it's 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And so I say that story, bro, because that is literally the reason why I stopped trading for months. That's how upset and disappointed I was with these prop firms. I didn't want to hear about prop firms. I didn't want to hear about anybody, bro, making videos about strategies this, the 99% hit rate. I don't want to hear none of that. All of y'all is hiding something, fam. So I had to step away from all all of the bogusness that's happening on these lives, or things that people are claiming for strategies to make. I'm like, bro, who's real here, bro? Who's really real here? Like, it seems like everybody is just out to get somebody. So I stopped trading prop firms. I no longer trade prop firms. I have currently an Oanda, a live Oanda account, which is regulated here in the U.S. Right, so I'm not dealing with prop firms. I am also not dealing with unregulated brokers. That is completely out the window. I want to start back a community of traders again, and I want this to be so powerful and so profitable for everybody, bro. I just want everybody to win, bro. Like, there's people hurting out right now, bro. I mean, y'all see what's happening in LA, bro. Like, everybody's hurting for bread. Everybody hurting for bread. And so my vision is here is my vision, bro. Here's my vision, bro. And why I'm on today, and I hope somebody can feel me on this, bro, cuz we need more communities, bro, that are like-minded, bro, to be able to come together, have good conversation, bro, good energy, good vibes, bro. Cause y'all know I'm all about the good vibes, fam. I don't deal with the rah BS, people going back and forth complaining, bro. Girl, I ain't got time for that, bro. Nobody got time for that. We a bunch of grown adults. And I feel like that's what I just kept seeing so much of in the trading community, bro. It's just like people just blah blah blah, this and this, nah, this strategy, that strategy, oh, that don't work, this don't work, bro. All y'all can't trade. Let's be honest. Let's just be honest. Half of y'all out here, most of these influencers, bro, cannot trade. I'm sorry. It's the truth. They will do anything and everything to put up an image. And if you're so profitable, if you are so profitable, why do you post YouTube videos? Anyways, I'm not even gonna go down that rabbit hole, man. How's everybody been, man? What's the trend now in the Forex community? What is happening? What is everybody focused on? What's going on with ICT? Is that still a thing? Are people still heavily invested in ICT? Is there certain strategies? Like, is Forex dying? Is it still up and running? Where is Forex on the map as of today? Is it worth getting back into it? Are people trading something completely different? What are people trading? Bro, I don't know any. Bro, this is how far I've been disconnected from trading because of the BS that I had to deal with this prop firm. I had to come to my own senses and tell myself I need to have like a reset from everything. You got this prop firm, you got that prop firm, you got that. What are y'all trading these days, bro? I still only trade AU. I'm curious to know if y'all still trade Forex, if you guys have transitioned to, I don't know, futures. I don't even know. What do y'all trade? Do you guys trade a lot of pairs? Like, what pairs you guys looking at? You guys investing more now? Like, what's the thing that everyone's doing? Let me get this out the way. Yeah, bro, like, and streaming for me has always been super fun because of y'all. It's really because of y'all, bro. Y'all be lit. Y'all really do be lit. And then, are prop firms still a thing? Or are people now trading their own personal funds? Because I'm in a mindset where it's like I don't think I will ever be able to trust another prop firm again. and I'm standing by that. Has anybody had good experiences or good payouts with prop firms? Or are people still out here scamming through prop firms with all these terms and conditions that are in the fine print that nobody reads, unfortunately? Like, like, it's a prop firm still a thing, or are people steering away from trading, or people still as invested in trading, or people still doing group chats? I traded you had US39 Samsung Gold. Oh, the Goldilocks, huh? Sheesh. Man, Goldilocks never did me good, bro. You could keep gold. Keep that boy. Keep that girl far away from me. I don't want to trade futures. Yeah. So how do I trade now? Right? I had to personally fund my account. Then I had to withdraw most of my money because I had to pay my rent. And so I currently have an account here because I want to be super transparent with everybody, of course, of where I am and just the reality of what it is, because what is there to hide? There's nothing to hide. So currently a $78 balance. My first trade, which I took on December 18th, that's how long I've been out of trading, was December 18th, 1901 GMT. What does that convert to? Why don't they have this EST? 119. Hold on, let me see. 119-41 GMT to EST. Okay. Oh wait. So if it's EST, then it would be. Let me see. Close this. Let's see what time that was that I took that trade at. So let's see. What time would that be? Time converter. Whatever. Let's just say it was like 8 to 9 a.m. in the morning. That's typically on the time frame that I trade, right? I took a loss of $4.48. Then I think I had entered on a trade by accident, so I closed this one up like quickly because I was still trying to figure out how to work the new platform for Wanda, because it was my first time using it. I wasn't familiar with like how the position and entering positions would work, what triggered how, what button. Like, it was just a few things that I wasn't used to, so how to get. I was just clicking away, right? And then I lost 49. Then I lost 100. Then I made 37. Then I lost 7. Then I made 10. Then I lost 44 cents. Then I was down negative $13. Then I made $10 back. Then I lost $10. I made $9 back. And so my account right now is 78. Right, but that's my money. All right, so if I lose it, then I lose it. But at least I have the opportunity to withdraw my money and not have somebody withhold my money that's rightfully mine, right? So I'm very happy and super content that I have a low balance, because I've had higher balances and I wasn't blessed with the live account. And so I'm like, you know what? I think the calling for me is to trade my own money. And so that's what I'm doing. All right. I don't trade futures. The best thing. Yeah, what up, Ricky? The best thing I ever did in my life was getting vaccinated. Free Ukraine flag. Bro, yo, y'all are just the best, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. That's hilarious, bro. Isn't the leverage 1-50 on Oanda? I believe that it is 1-50, yeah. But you know what's dope about Oanda though? Here's what's sick about this, cause let's say for example, if I'm on Bitcoin, right? Because I can literally place my trades on TradingView, so it's connected directly to TradingView. So I don't have to go to MT4. I don't have to, like, look at the pricing and be on an all entirely different app, bro. I literally trade everything right on TradeView, which is sick. And then it shows me, and then it shows me here, for example, exactly when I entered, exactly when I hit TP and I exited. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. This trade made me sick because it was this was actually what? This was on Thursday. This Thursday just passed. So peep game. I was in this trade. I got triggered right here. Boom. I like to sell the high of the day and the low of the day, or buy the low of the day or the high of the day. Right? So sorry. I'm either looking to sell the high of the day or I'm looking to buy the low of the day. It's just that's literally what I do. Like I don't do anything else but that. And so I seen this one, so I placed a sell limit above this wick, right, catching liquidity, right, and I always put a 30 pip stop loss on it for a 30 pip TP. On this case, I ended up extending this a little longer because I expected this to be a big drop because overall AU has been bearish, has had a bearish bias this entire time. So I'm thinking, I bet it's gonna keep dropping. Nope. But it was like, yeah, okay. Boom. I entered. So you see that you literally see the arrows of when I entered. So I entered here. I was instantly in profit. Boom. And swoop. News, bro. News. It's always news. It's just always news. They ain't messing with your boy, bro. They just not messing with your boy. Boom. News hit, bro. I can't even make this up, bro. News hit right here. And now when news spikes in one direction, peep game. These little blue lines here. These are the pair separators. And so when I see that this spike created a new high of the day, bro, first thing I did was like, okay, let me wait for a bearish candle to close, right? So I see the momentum of the buyers dying out. Therefore, this bearish candle gives me the sign that, okay, my trade is right there. Do what you got to do. So what I do I even have a replay? Of course. Anyways, that would have been great. So anyway, so what I do, so boom, here's what I do. I see where the candle goes bearish. My very next move is to place a sell limit right at the high of that previous bearish candle where it set the new high of the day. So fam, bro, look, it goes down. Cool, I wait for it. It does this, and then it's Friday, right? This was yesterday. Then it's Friday. It literally, I'm gonna just zoom in for y'all. Look at this, bro, fam. Hold on, just wait. Look. This came, fucking motherfuckers. This came not even half of a pip away from my entry, right? Didn't trigger me. Went right in my favor. It didn't hit TP on Friday, but then if I, of course, gotten triggered here, this was a 2-to-1 setup. If I would have got triggered here, it would have hit TP right there. And when I would have gotten out of this position, I then would have entered on the same buy that I got in on, which got triggered at this time right here on this candle, which the little blue arrows at. So it got triggered at 8:20 a.m. Eastern time on Friday, which was, that was yesterday, bro. That was literally yesterday. It got triggered there. And again, like I said, I was due 30 pip stop loss when I set a buy limit or sell limit. And trading, in this case, the low of the day, news came out, I guess here, around 9:30 or whatever the hell it was. I don't know. But then it went right into profit. So I like my 1-to-1 30 pip stop loss, 30 pip TP is what's been working for me. Sometimes I like to extend the TP because greed sometimes kicks in. But I've found that my 1-to-1 30 pip stop loss, 30 pip TP has been what has been keeping me consistent with my strategy and the profits on the long-term basis. The issue comes when I start to extend my TP because of greed. So that right there is where I have to break out of. But hey, it's nice to sometimes get a 2-to-1 or whatever, right? Like, I don't always want to do 1-to-1s and 50% win rate. That means, okay, we're just breaking even at that point. But boom, trading the high of the day to low of the day. So okay, so question now comes, well, what are you gonna do? Let's say comes Monday, tomorrow, right? Sunday, when the market opens. I'm gonna tell you my mentality and what exactly I'm gonna be looking for. Um, in leverage, I use 24K markets on Trade Locker. The leverage is 1/500. Okay, so how would it work differently with a 1/50 to with a 1/500? Would that allow you to enter into more positions, or would entering trades make you faster profits, or what's the benefit of the 1/500? What's the difference? That's not you can trade it on trading. Yeah, it's fire. It's definitely fire, Evans. Janice, at least ON is regulated. That's a bonus too. This is true. Perks to all brokers, no matter who you use. We're leaving 2020 profit. Sure. Janice, that is 100% facts. 2025. I'm making the statement now. Everybody will be very, very well off with trading. I can with, you know what? This year will be a great year. I don't want to say it again because I've said it for I've been trading for 8 years now, fam. Something's got to give, bro. Something's got to give. Something's got to give. Something's got to give, bro. Okay, so what's my plan? Deadass, this is what I'm going to do. Before I tell you guys what I'm going to look for in terms of entry, let me see, because I want to set a few dates of when I'll be back consistently on the streams. Here's what I want to do. I'm gonna write it in the chat. I'm gonna do for the rest of 2025. I'm going to stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 7 a.m. Eastern time, all the way to 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is 3 hours. I'm gonna put that in the chat, right? So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, from 7 a.m. Eastern time to 7 a.m. Eastern time. I'll also post that on my IG too, letting everybody know. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Here's the plan, guys. Here's the plan. This is happening. Okay, all right. Yeah, this is happening. So I'm gonna post a video on my Instagram, and starting Tuesday, which is Tuesday the 21st of January 2025, I will start my lives again. And this time, there ain't gonna be no stopping. There ain't gonna be no stopping this year. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 7 a.m. Eastern time to 10 a.m. Eastern time. We will trade live. We will have a blast. You guys know why I left. Now I'm back. It's been a pull in my heart telling me that I need to come back into the Forex community because it's been too long, and the pain has just been growing low key, and it sucks. I don't like it. Oh snap! Official Liz, shorty, what up, G? How you feeling? How's everything? Copy, Janice. Let's go. I bet. So I'm gonna make this video here. I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna make this video here. I'm gonna make this video here. Alright, bet. So I just posted the video. Oh no, I didn't post it. I just made the video, which I'm about to post on my IG. Alright. Guys, it's happening. Okay, let's see here. Back into the trading. Whoever wants to see me trade live for the rest of 2025 is going to happen Monday. No, sorry, not Monday. It's going to be starting Tuesday. Welcome back. Hi, Y2 Bill is on, fam. Appreciate you, Janice. Yo, Linz, call me when you get a chance. I want to ask you a few things because I've been so out of touch with trading, and I just need to know what's going on. I need an inside scoop. You feel me? I feel like I'm just so behind on just okay. Like I need to know the truth. Who's who? Like who the. You know what I'm saying? I need to know what's going on. I don't know nothing. But what I do know is that Tuesday we back in business. This I do know. We will create a community so powerful with nothing but love, respect, and positivity. Bro, people are going to flock towards us because the vibes is so lit. I want nothing but good vibes. Nothing but good vibes, bro. I will not take any shorts on that. It's not too much to ask for. That's not too much to ask for. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we need to hop in a cup for sure. For sure. Talk about ultra touch, bro. Just get back to you. And let's like yo, Jan, it's tough out here. Janice is tough out here. It's tough out here. Right? But let me show y'all here, right? Let me show you what I will look for coming this week. The markets will be open. You know what? Cause I want to let y'all in on like every setup idea trade that I'm thinking of getting into. Cause it may be that the trade comes up, I don't know, maybe on a Sunday or a Monday, right? But if I'm only trading on, if I'm only on live on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, I want to see you guys watch me in action live. Like, I don't want to do any more videos how to do this and how to trade this and these order blocks and this entry and do that. I'm not doing that. Everything is gonna be 100% live, no cap. This isn't us looking back on replay mode and then looking for a perfect setup to make content of to benefit from assets. I don't care for that no more. I want to show y'all what's been working for me, which is why I decided to come back on this live, because I finally found what works for me and I believe it will work for you guys too, and I'm going to give it to you guys for free. Why? Because there's enough money in the markets for us to all eat. Do you understand me? This is why I'm coming back. I love that. I love that for you saying here. I just came back to you last week. That's fire, Lens. That's fire. Hey, Mr. Boulevard Entertainment. I'm sorry, bro. Bruckner. Boulevard Entertainment. Mi dominicano, déjame ver, bro. Te estaba esperando, manín. Let's go. Alright, so here's what the market is gonna open tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern time. This is what I'm going to do, family. Alright. Oh, I gotta post my video on let me post my video on IG real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Bro, yo, Instagram is wild. Okay, so you can now do 3 minute long reels on IG. That's cool. Okay, so I need to edit this real quick. Right. They said they would ban TikTok at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. It's still good. It's still the app is. Yeah, they be capping. What y'all think about this TikTok? When we wake up, you think they'll ban it by then? Baby, esa gente tan loco, tan loca. Toditos son locos, baby. All right, so let me put this on IG, right? I gotta edit the video first, right? So ain't even gonna be that much. I'm just gonna put on there, hey, back on the lives, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, from 7 a.m. Eastern time to 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay. Live trading. No, pero para. All right. I think they capping. All right, so live trading back again. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 7 a.m. Who's live you watching? Babe. Who's live you watching?
I'm on a makeup girl, Chanel Sorrell's pro makeup artist.
Okay. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For the rest of 2025. And if I miss one of these days, just know that probably something happened. I probably died or some shit, right? Just to let you know, if I miss a day, it's for only that reason. It's because I'm no longer here. But if that don't happen, expect to see me for the rest of the year this year. Cause we climbing a ladder this year. I ain't playing this year. There's too much crap going on in this world. We need to get this bread. Period. Alright, so 1 minute video. And let me see this again. Live trading again. Live trading. Back again. So what's the back into the trading. Whoever wants to see me trade live. Okay. For the rest of 2025 is going to happen Monday. No, sorry, not Monday. It's going to be starting Tuesday, the 21st at 7 a.m. Eastern time, and it's gonna go Boom. Copy.
It's starting to lag.
For real?
Yep.
Say on dogs.
Yeah, she lagging a lot right now. It's 8:38 right now.
Yeah. Alright, we got Janice, enough for us all to eat. Facts, right? Like, bro, we can't be greedy with the forest money. It's free bread. All you gotta do is get it right. When it look like it's selling, then you buy it. When it looks like it's buying, then you sell it. Practice with me, guys. If the market is dropping, you buy it. If the market is bullish, you sell it. You buy low and you sell high. It's what we've all been preached this entire time. Why hasn't nobody understood it yet? Just sell it when it spikes up, buy it when it spikes down. That's it. And so I want to show you guys live examples as we go through this year that is the answer. I will show what I preach. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do for the markets when it opens Sunday. I don't think anything's gonna happen on Sunday based off how the market has been moving as of now. It seems it's not convincing as to what direction is gonna go, but I'm literally gonna give you guys exactly what I'm gonna look for an entry and how exactly I'm going to enter and what I have to see in order for me to enter and what prices I will enter at, what my TPs, my entries, and my stop loss will be at. And you guys will see the history for all of this year. Whether if I blow it or not, you guys are gonna see nothing but complete transparency. That's what I want to provide to you guys. I want to provide to you guys nothing but honesty, create an amazing group chat, a community, and we all just make bank this year. That's the goal for 2025. Okay, so guys, it's happening. Okay, so let me export this. It's still lagging? Okay, so boom. My fault. Happy New Year. Happy New Year's to you too, Janice. How was your New Year's? How was New Year's? How's everybody's New Year's, by the way? Santa was broke this year. That nigga didn't bring me nothing. Bum ass. I don't even ask for much. Give me $1, man. Alright, so this is going up on YouTube. Okay. Let me upload this here. Guys, it's happening. Forex live trading. Okay, it's gonna be Forex live trading all of 2025. Boom. Forex live. No, not Ford. Forex live trading. I'll be on here for another like 20 minutes or so, guys, to like 9 p.m. And I'm about to post this now. Gonna get the word out. And we're gonna get it popping. For the rest of 2025. Let's get rich together. Money. Okay. Boom, boom. Alright, so that's on YouTube. I'm about to show y'all the strategy real quick too. Alright, so that's on YouTube. Boom. Now it is on Instagram. Forex live trading. Let's have an amazing, profitable year. Boom. Alright, bet. So there's that. Overshare my reels. Start doing what? Overshare reels. For now, it can be a publisher for now. What? What are you saying? Just post my stuff, bro. Just post it, fam. Just post it. Oh my god, solo. I got solo, okay. Man, my god, solo real quick. I got solo right quick. I bet. So there's that. Boom. IG. Something roughing. I bet. Okay, so this video's up. Post that on my story. Where is it? Okay, posting it. Okay, that's a story. Boom. Okay, so that's on the story. And what else do we need? What else do we need? Okay, yeah. I also still got my I mean, I don't even know if I should post on it. We regret that the law has been to make service center available, work and restore service as soon as possible. What? I mean, doesn't seem like they've taken it down yet. I'm calling Cat for now. But anyways, I'm gonna post it on TikTok too. Just in case, right? Just in case. Even though people be capping, bro. People say all this different stuff. Like, you gonna do it or not, bro? Stop talking. I'm tired of the talk. Reuse of content setting, permission, whatever. Let me get this from IG now. Manage, edit. Okay, go on here. Follow my YouTube channel, link in bio. Okay, so boom, that's up. I mean, I was able to post the video on TikTok. I don't know. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I got that same notification.
Oh my god, I'm gonna read this note to y'all. Important update from TikTok. We regret that
Alright, let's see. I got my fault. Money, which pairs are you shooting for? Bro, entertainment. I only trade Aussie dollar. But if you guys have a pair you want me to look at and give you guys my point of view on where I believe it's going to go, I can do that. Will I trade it? No, but I can absolutely look at a pair for you guys if you guys are curious to see my perspective on where I believe the next move is going to be for certain pairs. I can absolutely 100% do that. All right, so let's say, okay, so now let's pay attention to this, right? Currently, the low of the day as of today, which is Saturday, all right, market's open tomorrow. Down here, right, below this wick is the LOD, which is low of day. Now, on that same token, here's the high of the day, right? So above that wick is HOD, which is high of day. Boop. I bet. So now that we've spotted where the low of the low and the high of the day is, what come next? Coming tomorrow on Sunday. Price right here is currently right here, and I'm gonna leave everything that I do on the charts. I'm not gonna delete anything, so we can just come back to it the next day and just look at it and be like, okay, that's where we were. Here's where we are now. Blah 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 blah. So we can always look back and like, damn, okay, we anticipated this, but this happened instead, right? So high of day, low of day, right? Now, what I believe the price will do on Sunday, let's just assume it ranges because I'm really not getting any clear signs of what direction it's gonna go. But let's say it starts ranging, and let's say it respects this low, and then price shoots all the way up. Let's just say price shoots all the way up, bro. Let's just say it shoots all the way up. I want to remove this so it's much cleaner now. Actually, let me get this out the way. You know what? I'm gonna do this. This will be faster. Let me just go backwards on this. Just easier for me to have the charts look cleaner this way. Alright, cool. Let's just assume. Here's two scenarios, and in either scenario, I'm gonna give you my solution of what I'm going to do with both scenarios. Let's say Sunday comes in, it starts ranging. It doesn't break the current low of the day or the high of the day. All right. Let's say it doesn't break those two, and let's say price ranges. All right, and it ranges for a little bit. Now, let's say news happens. One or two things are gonna happen, bro. It's either gonna go way up here, taking out this current high, which would of course set a new high of the day, HOD. Once price shoots up, bro, listen, let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something real quick. Extend to the right. Now we're not extending nothing. Here's what's gonna happen. This will be a blue color. Border, let's say background. Let's say background is blue. Alright, so this would be a blue color. Now let's make it a little more blue. Blue color. And let's say, whatever, let's say it's like this. This will be a blue candle. Once we get a bearish candle after the last bullish candle, let me actually do it more blue. Alright, perfect. Once we get a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle that closes bearish, this is important. A bearish candle that closes bearish. Doesn't matter what the candle looks like. I don't give a damn if it's a, bro, I done forgot on my candle for, I don't even know any candle names anymore because I don't even care for candles in the way that they close. I don't care if it's engulfing. I don't care if it's a doji. I don't care if it's a hanging. I don't care what the candle looks like. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is, did it break the previous high and create a new high? If the answer is yes, now I wait for the last bullish candle to finish being bullish. I then wait for the following candle to be bearish, right? All right. In this case, it would be black because the black candle is bearish, right? But you guys get the point. Let me just do black, whatever. How would it look if it's black? Okay, yeah, we'll do that. So once this next 15 minute, and this is on a 15-minute time frame. I don't trade any other time frame but the 15-minute time frame. And then my zones, I do them on only from the daily time frame zones. I don't do 4-hour zones. I don't do 1-hour zones. I do only daily zones because these zones are the strongest, and they show the strongest rejection when price comes to those levels, which is why I only use daily zones. So daily zone, then I take my trades on a 15-minute time frame. That is it. There's nothing else more to it, right? Let's say now this bearish candle closes, right? My very next move, bro, is this. I grab a short position. I put the short position above the high of the candle. I mean, there might be a wick, right? Whatever. Let's say this is a wick. right? Whatever. We'll freaking form a wick. Whatever. Okay, let me see. Let's say the wick is. Let's say the wick is right. Let's say the wick is right there. That's a pretty. That's a pretty wick. Whatever. Pretty wick. I'm gonna grab a short position at the high. Let me do 30-30. So 30 pips stop loss, 30 pips TP is a very simple strategy, right? Very effective. I'm going to place my sell limit because I don't do market order. I don't do market buy orders. I do not do market sell orders. I only use buy limits and sell limits only. There is no market execution in my strategy at all. It does not exist. It's sell limits or a buy limit. One of the two. That is it. Cool. Sell limit here in this case would be a sell. Why? Because we're at the high of the day. Therefore, I'm looking for an exhaustion of the bullish sentiment to reverse because everything needs to have a pullback. Yes. Now, let's say price now is bearish and then we get another spike. Boop. Triggers me in. TP's right there and that's the trade. That is the trade. There's nothing else more to it. I'm gonna do the same thing for the lows here. This is actually the lowest AU's ever been, so I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps dropping, right? So let's say second scenario would look something like this, right? Would drop, maybe it spikes this current day low, right? Maybe we get a push back up bullish, right? But let's just assume it drops. Right? And it just keeps dropping. If it drops, then the only time that I'm going to look for a buy is when this low has been broken, and like we did for the buys, we're going to do the same thing for the sells, but in the opposite direction. And so it's going to be bearish candles, bearish candle, bearish candle, right? Once a bullish candle comes up, right, like this, once a bullish candle comes up, don't forget my wiki. I'll just make another one. Where is it? Where is it? Where to go? Baby, ¿qué está pasando?
I'm with Love So Real. You know Love So Real with Maybelline?
Yeah.
And they're responding to comments and everything.
Oh, that's lit. I bet. So.
I asked them if they heard Bad Bunny's new album. They just put it on.
Oh, word. All right, so now let's say that bearish candle is the last bearish candle, and then you start getting some bullish action, right? Once the next candle that closes after a bearish candle is finished, then I look for an entry after the next candle, which of course would be this one. It would be bullish. Once this closes as a bullish candle, I do the same thing as I did for the trade above. I place a buy limit right at the bottom of this wick, below the bottom of the wick, not the candle. I'm not placing the look. I'm not placing the buy limit at the bottom of the candle close. I'm placing at the bottom of the wick, the very bottom. So right now the wick is at 60996. My entry buy limit is at 60996. What happened? What happened? Did you say something? It's not. All right. So boom, buy limit there, and then TP 30, stop loss 30. That's it, bro. That's these. Whoa, not 3,000. That's it. All right. So let me give you an example of how this works. And what I've added is the Bollinger Bands, because this gives me a second confirmation, a strong confirmation that the sells or the buys have been overextended. So notice here, after the trading, the period separators, price dropped and then it formed again bearish candles. And notice how this black candle was bearish. After we seen this next candle right here be bullish, bro, where do you think my buy limit was? Right below that low. I placed it a little lower, but whatever. Right, it was right below that low of that candle, and then it came into drawdown, 17 pips, and then it shot right back up to TP. That is my strategy. It doesn't change. The only thing that I adjust is I may increase my TP. That is all. My stop loss is always 30 pips stop loss. Huh?
Amor, chequeame en TikTok. La gente está diciendo de que hay un pop-up saying that it's gonna be officially banned in like an hour. Can you check? Cause since I'm on TikTok, I can't see.
Yeah, I screenshotted it.
Oh, you got the notification?
Yeah.
What is that?
It says important update from TikTok. We regret that the U.S. law banning TikTok will take effect on January 19th and force our services temporarily unavailable. We're working to restore our services in the U.S. as soon as possible, and we appreciate your support. Stay tuned. Please stay tuned. So yeah, this will be one of my 2 setups for entries. So as the week goes on, guys, this is what I will be looking for entries. The strategy is simple. You can take it if you want. You can steal it. You don't even have to give me credit. Just go make money, bro. It doesn't matter. I don't care for it. I'm giving it to you guys for free. Because why wouldn't I? But anyways, guys, it's been a pleasure having you guys here. I will 100% see you guys on Tuesday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. If you guys would like to share the message over to friends and communities and let them know we about to be lit this year, feel free to do so. Yeah, you got it great as always. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Peace.